So you're looking to find the PDFs of some classes that we have with workforce development. The first way to do this is go to nvcc.edu/workforce. Then we will click on Students. From here, the major categories of classes are as seen here: healthcare, IT, ESL, business management, others, and TESOL. Once I click on business and management, for example, we can go in here to sign up for the classes, but there are also the PDFs, the brochures, and I'm going to click over here on the left side. Now these are very broad and general. They just list the different types of classes we have. Because the classes change every semester, that's where you would see it in here. For example, human resources. I click here, and then it will give me the different series and the different classes, and it shows the dates, times, locations, etc. for it. Alright, so the same is true with the others as well. IT, for example. If I go down to IT, here's the different types of programs, but then here is the brochure.